Hi everyone, welcome back to Annette's Vignettes. I know it's definitely been a while since my last video, but I'm back just in time for Mother's Day, which is happening this weekend. And today I'm giving you guys a free Mother's Day card that I've created on Illustrator. It comes as a downloadable PDF and you can download, customize it, and send it as an e-card via text or email, or print it at home and customize to send via mail or in person. This is what it looks like.
I designed this card with those in mind who are distanced from their mom due to the current COVID-19 pandemic.
So the e-card version comes in a PDF that you can download from the link in my description box below. It's a Google Drive link, and once you download it on your computer, you can open up the PDF, add a text box in the note section of the card, add your own personal custom message, save, and send as an email or text. The printable version comes also as a downloadable PDF. You can download it using the link in the description box below. Once you download it, you can print it at home with your home printer using 8.5 by 11 paper. I recommend using cardstock or heavyweight paper just because it looks nicer, but you're more than welcome to use copy paper, which is what I used. It was the only one I had at home, and the color actually holds really well and feels sturdy, so totally fine to use. Once you're done printing, it'll look like this. Just cut out the white edges, like I did here, and fold it in half. And then just use double-sided tape to make sure that the edges stick together. In the back, you can write your own personal message. And once you're done, you can find a 5x7 envelope to fit it in. I found this cute light pink colored envelope. I think it matches really well with the color scheme, but feel free to use whatever color you prefer. And that's it, you're done. If you're sending flowers as a gift, this card fits really well in the plastic card holder that they put inside flower arrangements, just because it's a one slip that's double-sided, so it's really easy to put on there and it makes your flowers look really nice. Also, if you want like a nicer look, you can put this card inside a 5x7 photo frame. Not only does it amp the look up, but it also serves as a gift. They can always replace it with photos that they have in the future. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a beautiful Mother's Day weekend. Much love to all the mothers out there. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like and click subscribe for more videos. See you soon.